My back is against the wall. Lord,
Gang, 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 what it is. Mook in the V, back with another video. And I am busy as ever right now. I ain't slept in like 2 days, man. About to be on my way to Memphis, man. But I'm still in here making shirts, man. How that work? I'm in here making shirts still. I'm supposed to be on my way to Memphis right now, man. Got the cutout right there. The gold, you know what I mean? Got my man JoJo Cars pulling up right now. You know what I'm saying? MV on my body, you know what I mean? But I got too much going on, gang. Yeah, we leaving late night, y'all.
Back with another video, man. We out here.
Yeah. Heard this loud motherfucker pulling up. Alright, family. Y'all see what I got? It's dark in here, man. Need some better light in my kitchen. Y'all see that? 173rd. The LA Fitness. Y'all see what time it is, man. We got them. We pulling up, trapping these. Let me go ahead and finish packing, man. Get up out of here, man. I'm gonna pick the camera up in a little bit. What's going on, family, man? So we about to gas up right now, man. Hit the road. We the first ones over here, so I'm gonna go ahead and get gassed up. Somebody purring riding through here. That is a Durango. The mini bike back here, man. We had to configure it. Somebody was laying down on the side, leaking gas. Can't have that. Y'all see them stars though. Gotta see the pretties. Got the mini bike under here. Young boy JoJo Cars out here with it, man. Vandalized G on Instagram. Y'all already know. Y'all done seen him before. Yes, sir. But yeah, man, I'm finna go ahead and gas up. All type of stuff, man. There be stuff happening, man. We take these road trips, man. These road trips be serious. Like, we riding. Now, y'all know I got the crack on my glass already. Something off a truck fly off and smack it and make the crack a little bit longer right there. Crazy, man. Crazy. Y'all see who that is?
Bro.
Fish, what up, man?
Where you at?
I'm right at this BP getting gas.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm up here. Alex said he gonna catch us.
Alright.
He said he gonna leave in an hour, so it's just gonna be me and you then. So
Alright.
he said he just called me. He said he gonna leave out in about an hour. So he'll probably catch up with us.
Alright.
Alright, I'm sitting there waiting on you. I'm gonna set my waves up right now.
Alright.
Hey, you got put the Hilton Garden Inn in there.
Alright, they ain't our hotel though.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. Yeah, put yours in. We're still gonna take it the same way.
Right. It's y'all. Yeah. I'm sure it's close to it.
Okay.
Alright.
I'll see you in a minute. Alright.
Alright, family, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get this gas, man. We're gonna jump back on the road, man. Holla at y'all in a minute. Just to show y'all this ain't easy. It's not easy. Somebody gotta do it though. What up, family, man? We done made it into town, man. I was tired, man. I had to go straight to sleep, man. And now I'm hungry. So we went to this little dig, you know what I'm saying? I can't tell y'all if it's good or not, but we gonna find out. We sure gonna find out. Caught him lacking, y'all. Caught him lacking out here in Memphis. Y'all see that? Alright, family, so today has been one of the longest days of my life. How about you?
Shit's happening.
I'm just trying to get into a room, get sitchy, man. I couldn't even show y'all how nasty that last room was.
Man, I can.
Oh, you got the shit? I think I took like 1 or 2 pictures, man, but I couldn't even. That shit, I was so mad. The lady at the front desk trying to argue with me. There's bugs in my bed.
All that shit.
There's bugs in my bed. You trying to talk to me about anything else besides giving me my money back and letting me get the, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully this place is gonna be decent, man. We're gonna see. We gonna see. They got some real memorabilia in here. Charity benefit. Special Olympics, Tennessee. Good cause. Each one of these items costs, I mean, it's worth thousands of dollars at the very least. R.I.P. to the Mamba. Yo, man, this shit can't be made up, y'all. So it's the second room. As y'all see, nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. I have no power in the room. Actually, I'm lying because the microwave is on. Okay, that light's on. We need another room though. Half our room don't even work. How the microwave work and it's plugged into this same. I don't know. I said, I don't know. They trying to keep the lights dark so we don't see. I should park. I'm gonna park back here.
We should have damn near took the L. I got an Airbnb.
Man. I wanted to get the Airbnb. We went to St. Louis. We had a good time. The room was fire.
Who got the Airbnb at St. Louis?
You did, which it was a great idea. So I'm like, bet we finna go to Memphis, Airbnb. What happened? See?
Who chose a, wait, what? I didn't choose it.
You said the Airbnb a little pricey.
That's all.
And then I showed you the.
I was like, I don't.
You like bet? You like?
Chose it.
So we finna get the fuck out of here then, y'all. All right, family, man. This has been so far, man, just not the best trip in the world, man. We gonna make the best out of today. Today is the day of the Scary Fast show. But man, I've been through a lot, man. The hotel, I'm never staying at. I ain't gonna say never staying at hotels again, but I'm not staying in certain hotels ever again, man. You know what I mean? Airbnb until I DIE from now on, gang. But right now we're walking into we trying to get the code for the house that we just grabbed. It already is a better situation than what we was dealing with in the beginning, man. Yeah. I really don't even want to talk about it, man. Just, we bumped into some nasty shit, man. Let's just say that, man. Bumped into some nasty stuff, man. So hopefully the house is nice. I think it's like a 3-bedroom or something like that. This is what we should have been in the first place. Got the Ring camera right here. Y'all got us on camera, we got y'all on camera. I think we had this problem last time. Trying to get in. What's the code? Man, y'all see the situation here. This is what we should have had in the beginning. I'm embarrassed to show y'all what we had before. Man. Bro said he gonna show it to y'all all.
Make sure y'all check out my channel because I'm gonna show all that shit. Boy, I got everything from Mook, fucking tripping on motherfuckers tripping on Mook. I got the bugs, I got all that shit.
I ain't gonna lie, I almost got locked up, man, dealing with them goofy ass ladies at the front desk. Hey, acting like it's their money.
Get out my room, bro. Tell them get out my room, bro. Watch out.
This your room?
Yeah, it's my room.
You want this one?
Yeah. I got the fucking walk-in closet and shit, boy. Trapped in the closet.
Okay. It's a nice little crib.
Your car, so you feel me?
Got a fireplace in this bitch.
Bro.
This a real fireplace?
I don't know. If you right by your car, look, you can see your car right here. You can just.
This a real fireplace, bro.
You can put the blinds up and then see your car right there. The whole time.
Damn.
Yeah, bro, this is decent as fuck. Nah, pay $100 for this any day.
Hell yeah. A washer and dryer in this bitch, backyard.
Backyard, yeah.
Everything. Oh, there you have it, man. This is what you're supposed to do when you go out of town.
Airbnb do not do none of that other bullshit.
Real.
Real Airbnb.
Definitely gotta get something in here tonight. Got a few cars out here, man. Trying to see what Bill Street hitting like tonight, man. I've been drinking a little bit of YouTube, so pardon me if I'm slurring a little bit. You been drinking?
Got the whole video camera out here.
Hey, check it out, man.
Hey, what's up? I got you.
That's where you can see yourself at. Go ahead and do something for the camera.
Hey, y'all follow me on the gram at Kindle_Leo.
Yes, sir.